In this tutorial, I'll show you how to collect photos with Jotform. This is useful when you want to gather images for events, portfolio submissions, competitions, or visual feedback. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click Create, then select Form. Choose Start from Scratch, then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element from the left panel and select File Upload. Once the File Upload field is added, click the gear icon to open its properties. Go to the Multiple tab and find the option to limit the number of files users can upload. Set the limit anywhere from 1 to 10 files based on how many photos you want to collect. If you want users to upload and preview their photos directly within the form, click Add Element again and select Widgets. In the Widgets search bar, type Image Upload Preview and select it from the results. Click the wand icon to open the widget settings. Customize it as needed and click Update to save your changes. That's how to collect photos with Jotform. Thanks for watching.